The Market Watch window consists of two tabs, Symbols, and Tick Chart. The Symbols tab displays by default a table of all available financial instruments or symbols, if you prefer, along with the corresponding bid and ask prices. Additional fields in the table may be displayed. By right-clicking in the Market Watch, a pop-up menu appears. Time. We'll add a new column in the Market Watch displaying the time of the last incoming bid, ask quotes. High, Low. We'll add two more columns in the Market Watch table. High will show the highest price achieved so far during the day. Low will show the lowest price achieved so far during the day. Spread. We'll add a new column in the Market Watch window displaying the difference between ask and bid price. The Tick Chart, the second tab in the Market Watch window, will display the live incoming ticks for both bid and ask for the selected symbol. The title bar of the Market Watch window displays the current server time. The server time cannot be changed, modified.
Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button now.